Welcome everybody. Welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. It's your boy Ronnie, and guys, we're gonna get started. It's London session open. Welcome everybody. Thank you guys for joining me. Awesome guys. Already almost 30 of us. Amazing guys. So welcome everybody. Rhythm. Welcome. First one. Connor Sampson. What's going on, bro? Epic. Baba, my man. Ankit. Welcome. Praveen. Camp Savage. Aditya. Welcome from London. Lost for forgive me. What's up, bro? Jade, what's going on? Shadman, welcome. Let's get these pips, guys. Let's see what the London market's gonna give us tonight. Yeah, hope everybody's good today, guys. Tasha T, good morning. Ali, what's going on? Hello, morning. Okay, guys. Rich Trend, what's going on? Bless Rich, what's up, bro? Fruitful and everyone. Let's have a good session, guys. Krishna, you learned some price action from us. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Well, we're going to learn a little bit more, guys. So let's get started, guys. So just first want to say welcome to everybody. It's Thursday morning here. And I'm on gold right now. So what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to go top-down analysis, okay? So gold, it broke above, we're above 1800 now. So we got up to almost 1804 just recently. We're working on an M top, double top up here. I'm going to see if it can come down, break this neckline right here, back down to 1800. Or are we going to rotate right back up and make some new highs, okay? So let's go to the daily really quick. Just in case you guys weren't trading today, how high did we hit today, yesterday? Let's take a look here. So I'm going to focus on these candles right here. I know the high up here was 1834. We got up there on the dailies, got rejected, and then came down bearish. How low did we get down to? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so we got a bottom right there, critical support 1788. I go yellow, guys, for my daily support and resistance. I go yellow. Okay, and today's high right now, almost 1804. Well, we're almost there right now. And today's low, the wick right there. Okay, we got down to 1792 today. And let's take a look at yesterday's candle. So yesterday's candle, how high did we get up to? 1800, 1801. So today we're higher. We created a new, so far a new higher high on the daily. Okay, so that's interesting. We could be pushing up maybe tonight. If we push up, we got to break above 1804. and we can possibly get back up to this 1808, 1809 area. Okay, this is where we had the critical break on September 7th when it really sold off. Okay, and then we have two indecision spin top candles, picked up some support down here, lots of support down here. So this is like a daily demand zone anywhere around here. 1784, it's a daily demand zone. It's coming right back up. We're going to see how high we can get up to riding this candle. Okay, now what I do, guys, is you can either go to your 4-hour candles, you can go to your hourly candles to try and get some mid-range, medium time frame support and resistance. I go to my hourlies. Okay, I know we're on a big daily downtrend coming down. There's a bottom right there, rejection wick, and a rejection wick, and that's what's starting this nice little move to the upside. So I'm going to look now for some support and resistance. If we start to break up, where could we come up to? Okay, so we got good hourly support right here. I'm going to change it to white, guys. Hourly is white. Okay, so yellow is daily support and resistance, white on my chart is hourly, and when we get into the 5-minute frames, I go red. You guys can change the colors on your charts if you guys want. You don't have to exactly copy what I do. Okay. And guys, I want to welcome everybody. Thank you guys. 55 viewers. If I can get you guys to like the channel, guys, it really helps with trending, and I really appreciate that. That keeps us doing these bonus London sessions for you guys. Okay, we're on limited sleep here, but we do this for you guys. So if you can just hit the like button, guys, if you guys are getting good value and good content out of this channel with Dave and I, we really do appreciate it, guys. Okay, so we're coming up to this daily resistance up here. You can see on the yellow lines up here, 1803, 1804. We're getting rejected right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move to my 5-minute candlesticks. Okay, we're 5-minute scalpers. We love to do that. So if you guys want to follow on your charts, guys, I'm using TradingView as our platform. I'm on the 5 minutes. I can see that we are in a nice little uptrend. Okay, from the bottom up here, we are ascending. From when we hit the bottom over here, you can see we're ascending. I'll change this color, guys. We'll go purple. Let's go purple for trend lines. Okay, so you can see the purple trend line. And also from up here, okay, I can do also a trend line from up here coming across here. Okay, so price is starting to converge. You can see it's coming together. Okay, it's starting to come together, so we might have a nice little move coming up very soon. Price is coiling up for a move. I can see in here we have some really nice consolidation. It's a perfect area to trap this type of price action right in here. Okay, so what's going on in here, guys, is this is accumulation distribution. Okay, this is where market makers are fulfilling orders or fulfilling contracts, and we could eventually have a breakout to the upside, or we're going to have a break to the downside. So if we do, where are possible levels where we can look for price action to go to? If we break, we're possibly going to look for price to come down to 1799.33. I can look for price to come down to here, 1798. Here we go, guys. Here it could be the impulse break coming down, guys. Okay, so get ready. Momentum is breaking the 50 RSI on my chart. Okay. Okay, so you see what I'm looking at, guys? We could get the M break right here at the critical daily support, 1800.80, right around here. Okay, so but what we're watching for, guys, is we're going to see if the volume can close below this line, break and close below. Okay, it's an M pattern forming, but could find some resistance here or support here, and it could rotate right back up and form a double bottom. But what we're looking for on this pattern, guys, is here's leg 1 coming up. There's our neckline, there's our double top, peak 2, and then we're looking for the break. We're looking for the break to come down to possibly down to here. Okay, and then these are take profit areas. We're looking for 1799.30, next one will be 1798, and next one will be right back and down to our hourly support right here. If we can get this break. If not, we could rotate right back up, and where could price come back up to? Could come back up to this area. Guys, I'll get to the chat in one moment, okay? I just want to finish charting all this. Okay, so see how it's breaking right now? Okay. So this is the impulse break, guys. This is the impulse break. We got 2 minutes and 25 seconds left on the candle. So what we need to do, guys, is we're gonna wait to watch confirmation here, guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see my chart. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay. So you see how we're breaking below. The yellow line right here is my daily support, okay? So we are breaking, there it is, okay? It could come down. This could be the impulse candle, but we're gonna also wait for it to see how it closes. If it comes back up to test for a retest up here and then continues to go down, okay? So let's take a moment to watch this, guys. We're less than 2 minutes to go on the candle. Welcome everybody, 82 viewers. Thank you guys, I appreciate all of you guys for joining. Seagrind, what's up my man? What's good, brother? Welcome everybody. Ali, what's up, bro? Yeah, guys, if you want to join the membership team, guys, the mentorship team, we'd love to have you on the mentorship team. It's growing fast, guys. What a great community we have. Dave did a Zoom call with our members for Tokyo session, and there was a lot of pips made, guys. So if you guys want to join the team, we'd love to have you on the team, guys. For $1 a day, it's $29.99. We'll get to best kicks. We'll get to US 30 in a moment, okay? Just want to see this gold right now. Suit. Appreciate you too, brother. Appreciate you too, bro. FX Baller was good, bro. Okay, guys, so we got less than 1 minute. There's our break, okay? So, guys, you can take impulse candles, okay? You can, absolutely, okay? We teach you how to trade them as well, but when you're taking them, there's a little bit of indecision on these, okay? So you got to calculate the move, okay? From there to there, it's about, you're looking at almost 4 pips, okay? Minus your broker's spread, which could be 1 to 2 pips. So you're just looking at about a 2 pip profit right there, and then it could come right back up. So that's why sometimes you can take impulse candles, but you want to take them when there's more volatility in the markets, like New York session. You could get an impulse candle that breaks for 10, 20, 30 pips. You can grab your money, scale out, and it could come right back up, and what you're looking for is the retest, okay? So we're almost there, 10 seconds. Here's the close, guys. Let's keep an eye on this. Okay, so how low did we get down to? 1800.26. That's our low of this candle right there, okay? Here's the close, the volume close below. See how they gapped it down? It's flashing green right now. So initial, they have buying, well, now it's going green, okay? So we're gonna see it come up, potentially hit anywhere in this area, okay? And then what we wanna see is some selling pressure to continue to push this down, okay? There we go, we got a wick. Okay, because now our yellow line was support, daily support. Now price action is below it. It's only 5-minute candles have closed below it, but what we should have up here is traditionally this should act as a resistance zone, and then it has a higher probability of going bearish. Okay, so what we need is some selling pressure to come in and break the low of this wick right here, 1800.25, and then we're gonna come down to here. Possibly come down to this next wick right here. Okay, so it's finding support now. It's coming right back up. It's going to test this area. Okay, it could also come up to here, anywhere up to here. And what we're looking for is to continue this bearish momentum off these red candles. Somewhere some buyers to start coming in and pushing this, exhausting this green candle and pushing it down, guys. Okay. If not, we could come back up bullish, okay? So we don't have an entry yet, okay? Because it came up, it's coming up yet, okay? So we still gotta wait, guys. And we'll get to US 30 in just a moment, okay? It'll be our next chart we'll do. and we'll also do a currency pair tonight. We'll take a look at either GBP JPY or GBP USD. We had good pips last night with GBP USD. It was an awesome pair, and it ran the entire night after the call. It continued to run. Okay, guys. So see the rejection right there. See how we're getting rejected. There's the wick that we want to see in the supply area. It's coming down. What we need to do is just rotate this volume to red. We need to turn this candle into a red shooting star, and we could potentially push and break here and come down. There we go. Okay, so that's the type of candle we want to see. See how it rotated from a bullish candle coming up. We got some resistance and they're pushing it down. We got a lower high, lower high, lower high. Start of a nice little downtrend, and there we broke the low right there. Now we could come down to right here, 1798.78, and then we could push even further down to here, guys. We've got our RSI breaking below our psychological 50 right here. So we're going to see if we can just break, guys. We just need some push. We just need a little bit of selling pressure right here. Crypto's crashing. We'll take a look at some crypto too, guys. So got a minute 42 left on the candle. Okay, so it's still a little bit indecision. See how it's turning green, coming up, it's going red, it's still got a little bit of volume. Okay, so it's still a little bit of indecision, guys. So just got to be patient, guys. We got to be patient, okay, because we're breaking below a critical daily support. So there was last night's call too. We broke the support, but it took a few candles for it to really break down bearish. Okay, you're not always going to get the move happen on the first break. Okay, this is a daily support zone, so anytime it breaks, we could have buyers step in any moment and come up. Look at here when it touched and then it started that trend rate going right back up. Okay, so this was just the initial break. Okay, so welcome everybody. We almost have 100 viewers, guys. That's amazing for a London call. Awesome, guys. Thank you. These are our bonus London sessions that we do for you guys. Dave is going to do New York at 8 o'clock in the morning. We got some folder announcements at 8:30. There's I believe it's CPI USD folders. So there's going to be some good volatility, guys. New York session with Dave. Okay, so we're getting a bullish candle now. Okay, so you can see that we don't have a sell entry, guys. Okay, because I'm still waiting here. That's why, just be patient, guys. If you're trading 5-minute candles, we gotta wait a little bit. Okay, you can't just jump in on the first 30 seconds, because then you still have 4.5 minutes to go on the candle. So we gotta wait. Now it's coming up bullish, but still we did not engulf this entire red candle, so we do have still a little bit of selling pressure. We're gonna see now, can sellers hold it down right here to create that lower high? If not, buying momentum can start to increase, and what we could do is we could start to look for maybe a reversal buy, possibly start to form in this area. And right after this, guys, I'm going to chart US 30 for us. No, I'm not in this trade yet. I'm not in on this trade yet. I'm watching very closely. Okay, so this green candle could have been a pullback candle one more time to test up here. It's coming down bearish. We got a nice bearish engulfing candle. It's still, these candles are lower highs from up here and here, so it's still respecting the downtrend. We got lower highs. We just need to come down bearish, engulf this green candle and break below there, and we're going to come down on gold. And now I could be getting ready to look for a potential entry as long as I can get this candle go down bearish. okay? There we go. Okay, so it's a nice candle. Oh, if we can engulf this green candle again, listen guys to me what I'm saying. We could come down here and it could find some support again and rotate right back up. Okay, again we're testing down here, but what we need is to start to close with volume below here and start to engulf this green candle. Then we'll have more selling pressure and we can get some continuation coming down and really starting to break this area. So less than 2 minutes to go, guys. 1 minute 55 seconds. Let's get this volume down here. Come on, sellers, where are you guys at? Let's go. Push this down. I want it to close down in here. And then maybe our next candle, we break that low and then it drops. If I flip to the 15-minute candle, I can take a look at what the 15s are doing. Okay, so 15s came down bearish. Okay, it came down. Our last 15-minute candle came down, rotated right back up. Next 15-minute candle came up to here, lower high, and pushing down. So our 15-minute candle is coming down bearish as well. So that's a good sign. All we got to do is fill this wick and continue to break. There we go. Just got to engulf this green candle and come down. So thank you guys for joining me in this London session. We want to grab some pips tonight, guys. Last night had some good volatility. Last night, as soon as we started the call, it was moving. Like there was nice moves. Hopefully we don't get into any chop. We can continue like last night's session, and we can make some pips, guys. FX Baller, thank you, bro. We appreciate you. Says that this is the best trading channel live and for learning at the same time. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, man. I just want to teach you guys some education about scalping, teach you guys patience and discipline, not to always just jump in on impulse candles, okay? Because we can make a lot of mistakes when we jump in on impulse candles. It's just learning about the patience and discipline. See, I'm not getting any real signals to get into a sell yet. It's still just playing around right at this daily area right here, 1800.50. We're bouncing around it, okay? Until we start to come down bearish and start to close and engulf this, then maybe we can start to break down. So this candle came down bearish. We closed below 50% of that green bullish candle. So that's good. The sellers are still in control. But what we need to do is start to break. This is a good candle, continuing, but we don't want to see buying pressure come back up. We want to start to see sellers right now start taking this down, hammer it down right now, and break right here, this low wick, 1800.25 right here. Royston, what's going on, brother? Yeah, it's a double top. Yeah, it's the M top right there. It's beautiful. That's what we saw coming up. There's our peak 1. Here's our neckline, what we're trying to break. There's peak 2, and here's our break. So it is a double top M formation. Absolutely, bro. Okay, so see how we're coming down nice and bearish? Just got a break right here. There's a lot of 5-minute support right here. We came here, it bounced. Came here, it bounced. Again, it's holding, okay? So we do have some buying pressure in here. But once this breaks, if we can break it, it will drop. But again, price might consolidate in this box right here that I have illustrated, okay? But if we do rotate back up, I could be looking for a buy up here, okay? If we're not breaking down here, price action is either going to consolidate in this box, trade sideways, cool off, accumulate, distribute for the market makers. They'll fulfill more contracts until they get the liquidity, the volume that they need, and we can either break up here at 1801.64 and we go bullish on gold, or it could break down bearish. We'll still wait to see if it can break down in here. Okay, guys, so while this is happening, guys, keep an eye on this for me. Gold 1801.64 up here for a bullish signal, and 1800.66 for the break. Okay, I'm gonna start to chart US 30 for us. Okay, or let's just hang on. We'll watch this candle because now it's moving bullish. Here it goes. We'll see if what it can do up here. Okay, and I follow RSI too, guys. So RSI broke 50 and now it's coming right back to my 50 line, okay? And it could break again going bullish, okay? And that's why we're getting this bullish momentum. But if sellers can hold it down here at 50 and push it right back down, then maybe it's going to create another lower high and continue to come down. Rodell, thank you, bro. Absolutely, this is the best live trading. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Dave and I honestly are humbled by you guys, you know. Just hopefully you guys are learning, bro. Hopefully you guys are learning. You know, you guys are getting educated on this. And we can trade whatever you guys want. I love to scalp Bitcoin with you guys, but a lot of you guys have 7 to 10 pip spreads on your brokers. So it makes it very difficult to scalp Bitcoin, guys. But if you guys want to see Bitcoin scalping, we can do that for you guys. No worries. It's just I want you guys trading. I want you guys but with a 7 to 10 pip spread, a Bitcoin move for 10 pips, I'm normally taking TP1 right there, and you guys are just, that's your spread, so it's tough. Anchor, welcome. Can you suggest a Forex mobile app for India? We have a team from India, Epic Baba. Maybe he can answer and all his crew about the mobile app for India. I'm not too familiar with the apps in India. Our Shadman, what broker do I use? I use Fusion Markets out of Australia. They have some really good spreads. Like right now, live, I have a 0 spread on EURUSD and a 0.2 pip on GBPUSD. I've got half a pip, 0.5, half a pip on gold right now. And Bitcoin is 2.4 pips right now for me. So that's Fusion Markets out of Australia. Tito, welcome, bro. Welcome from Miami. Okay, guys. So see the price now. We're consolidating right in here. It's in a flag formation. Okay. So what's happening is we have the M formation. Okay. So it came up. This is leg 1 came up. This is leg 2 coming down, forming the neckline. This is leg 3 coming back up. See how we got rejected right up here, double top. We got a lot of supply up there, and now it's coming back down. We tried to break, but we couldn't, and now it's forming now a little flag where we could start to come up bullish now, or we could start to break down again down here, or price is just going to trade sideways in here. Okay. I'm not short or long yet, okay? Guys, you gotta understand, it's consolidating right in here. It can either break up to the upside or it can break to the downside, okay? But I'm not trading inside here, okay? This is the accumulation distribution area, because then this could be like barcode action. You could get a red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle. Now we're starting to see a little bit of bullish momentum coming up. Here we go, okay? So this could be an impulse candle breaking up to the upside, okay? So impulse candle can break and come up to here. 1802.30, back up to test these candles up here, this price action right here looking left. Okay, so this could be the impulse break coming up. Okay, but it's getting rejected. Okay, so remember, we need volume to close up there. Okay, so what I'm kind of looking for, if we go bullish, is looking for price action to come up here, and with some volume to close up there and possibly come down to retest this area. Then we make a higher low, we get some more buying liquidity, we can come up to this target and then come back and then try to go up to here. Okay, but see how we came up, it peeked its head up there. That's called an impulse break. They tried to grab some retail traders up there, looking like it was going to go bullish, okay, which it did. It was a bullish candle coming up, but we're patient and disciplined traders. We wait, it wicked out, faked out, and they're pushing it down. Okay, so I'm looking now for a bearish candle to come down and start to engulf this. And one more time, let's test down here if we can break below here. Okay, Bless Rich, I don't like Oanda, bro. I don't like the candles on Oanda for gold. I use Saxo. Okay, so see why we didn't take no buy signal up there, guys? See how it came up? Okay, it was an impulse break coming up, and within 30 seconds it started to get rejected and coming down. Okay, so this is sideways trading action. This is consolidation. Okay, we can also see on the RSI we're just right around the 50 area, which is the psychological midpoint. And what we're looking for is we got to see for a break below here or a close above there with volume, guys. And what I mean by volume, it's the real body of a candle, this big green body or the red body. If we're going bearish, we want to see the red body close below this area. If we're going bullish, I want to see some green volume close above this area. Okay, I'm not going to play the games with these wicks up and down. Okay, those are where you get faked out. That's where you make a lot of impulse trades, and then you go into a buy and then they flip it into a sell and you're down on your account. Okay, oh guys, I turned the notifications off for the subs because it was distracting some of our members. But I can still see our latest subscriber. So thank you, Jakil, for your subscription. I appreciate you, boss. Thank you, bro. Prezi, what strategy am I trading here? I am a price action scalper. I scalp price action. I scalp 1 minute candles. I scalp 5 minute candles. I use support and resistance on my price action. And just I look for patterns. Support and resistance, I look for supply and demand zones, and I also use RSI for I look for divergence, and I look for strength and momentum. Okay, that's basically what my style is, my strategy, you want to call it. But I scalp pure price action. Okay, and support and resistance, local support and resistance. So the red lines on my chart, guys, are 5 minute 5 minute support and resistance. The white lines are 1 hour, and these yellow lines, this yellow line is my daily support. So you see why we're getting so much consolidation right here. And guys, it's a psychological level. It's 1800 on gold. This is like always a psychological level. So you can see why we have a lot of buyers and sellers fighting at this area at 1800, and that's why it's our daily support. Okay, but eventually, hopefully on this call tonight, we're going to break below it or we're going to break above it and we can grab some pips. But in the meantime, it's just consolidating sideways. Okay, so from here, guys, I'm going to start to chart US 30 for us. Okay, we've already been on the call for 30 minutes, so we need to get another chart here because this is just consolidating right here. Prizzy, thanks for your sub. Appreciate you, bro. Okay, so see how we came down bearish. Okay, we came down bearish and now it's coming bullish. This is barcode action, guys. This is what we call barcode. Green, red, green, red, red, green, green, red. Okay, so it's a lot of indecision, but it's gonna make a move, guys. It's gonna make a move eventually. It's not gonna just trade sideways forever. Okay, so it's coming up bullish again. It's trying, but it's getting rejected up there. Prizzy, yeah, 1 minute and 5 minute can give you false signals, but we are very patient and disciplined traders. This could have been a false entry. This could have been a false entry. That could have been a false entry. That could have been a false entry. I haven't taken a trade yet, okay? I'm showing you patience and discipline. Well, I don't have any volume closing above there, and the first volume that closed right there, they gapped it down. It was a gap down candle, and right away it tested and came up bullish. Why? There's no sell order in there. Okay, same with these. We have no volume close. Okay, so yes, I agree with you. But you have to learn patience if you want to be a scalper, guys. Why don't I use trend lines? I have a trend line, guys. My trend line is right here. See the trend lines? These purple lines? This is my trend line right here. Okay, so we're not even near the trend line. Okay, so these are the trend lines on my chart. there's my trend lines. Okay, see these purple trend lines? Who asked that question? Um, These are my trend lines. Okay, so there's my trend line up there, and here's my bottom trend line. So I do use trend lines, guys. Yeah, Gregory, we're gonna have live New York session with Dave at 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern time. So in about 4 hours, Dave is gonna be taking over, and he's gonna be doing New York session for you guys. It's gonna be some good Friday morning volatility in New York. We do have some news. Here's our Forex factory. We've got USD red folder at 8:30 PPI month over month, and then we have the orange folder core PPI month over month. So there is going to be some nice moves with Dave on during New York. Okay, so we give you guys two streams, guys, two streams. So if you guys are new here, guys, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and please like the channel, guys. If you guys are getting good value out of this, then Dave and I will continue to give you guys these streams for free education and live trading, and hopefully we can help you guys learn how to scalp and learn price action. Yeah, Prissy, no worries, bro. Good questions. How do I set trend lines? Well, you want to get multiple touches. Okay, you want to look for a trend. That's what it's called, trend lines. So you want to look for a trend that you can see. Like right here, I can see a trend. Okay, if I wanted to, I could draw a trend line from the top of here, coming down here. Do you see how I'm connecting? I'm connecting here, 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 and here, and that is my bearish downtrend, and this is my first trend break right here. And you can see where the trend changes. Okay, so there's my trend change. We have it comes down to hourly support. This is my white line. I have a bullish engulfing candle. Take out that. My next candle opens, breaks through the trend, retest. I could get into a buy entry there with my stop loss placed below there, and I ride all of these pips going straight up. Okay, and look at the move on gold. As soon as it broke that bearish trend, from there to there, you're talking about 50-60 pips. Okay, in 1 2 3 4 5 candles. Okay, so that's a trend right there, and that's the break of the trend, and there it goes. Yeah, no worries, guys. Guys, I answer all your questions, okay? So if they're good questions, I answer the questions. If you guys are trolls in here, I don't entertain trolls, okay? But thankfully, we haven't had them in a couple calls, guys. So I appreciate all of you guys, good energy. You guys are asking the right questions, and you guys are learning, guys. So I appreciate that. Yeah, Enzo, the lows of the candles are seeming to get higher and higher, so what you're seeing is higher lows. So yes, absolutely, you're correct. That's why we could have a buy signal up here at 1801.60, and we can also have the sell signal, okay? But right now, price is consolidating. But yes, if I wanted to connect these from here, I could see that they are starting to form a little bit of an uptrend, okay? Okay, so do you see how they're holding this purple line? Okay, so they could come up bullish, and then we could get that break that we're looking for up here. Let me just get rid of this white line. This was my M pattern. Let me just get rid of that so it doesn't confuse you guys, okay? Okay, so get ready, guys. Get ready. Okay, here we go. So momentum could be coming up here. We could be going bullish, but look, again, we're getting rejected. Okay, so we need the volume to close above here. Okay, what do we got? We got 3 minutes and 20 seconds left on the candle. Okay, so lots of time still left on this candle. Again, we're coming up to here, and it's getting rejected. Rejection wick. It's hitting and getting rejection. Now it's turning into a spin top candle, indecision. Okay, so it could be, look at the volume rotating now. It was bullish and now it's coming down bearish. Okay, and we have a really thin body because the volume is rotating. So this could start to turn bearish and we could break that purple trend and start to come down here again. Okay, so this is pure consolidation trading, price action, guys. This is where you got to learn patience and you got to study what the volume is doing. Okay, look at that now. See how it's coming down as a shooting star candle? Okay, so now we're touching that purple trend line that we just drew. Okay, so now we just need this momentum to start to come down here and break, guys. Okay, gold is just trading sideways right now. No, Prezi, I do top-down analysis. If you started the call with us, I went to my daily candles, and then I went to my hourly candles, and I came down to my 5-minute candles. That's how I got these zones. The yellow lines are my daily support and resistance, and then the white lines are hourly, and that's my next daily up there. Okay, so absolutely, I always do top-down on every single chart I do. I don't just jump into trading. And you shouldn't either. You should always do top down because you want to know what the overall trend is. Is gold bearish? Is gold bullish? What is it on the overall frame? Brandon, what's up, bro? My man, what's good, bro? Okay, guys, get ready. Here again, we're re-attempting up here, 1801.64, guys. Okay, here's the break, guys. Impulse break. Right now, we got 45 seconds on the candle. This is our impulse break right here, guys. Okay, get ready. Watch. Let's see where the volume is going to close on this candle. Okay, see, not getting it still. Okay, it's coming up there. It's coming, breaking out, but no volume close, guys. No confirmation yet. Okay, 5 seconds to go on it. We might get the push on the next candle. Open up here. Okay, so there it goes. Okay. Gold is if you're new to trading and new to scalping gold, it's not easy to trade. It's not easy to scalp, but the volatility is always there with gold. But if you're new to trading, maybe you want to practice with like a currency pair like GBPUSD, EURUSD, GBP before you get into these fast moving pairs like gold, US 30, Nasdaq, and things like that. But if you're patient, you can make a lot of pips with these things. But you just got to be patient, guys. You can see I haven't taken a trade yet. I have not taken a trade yet. I'm waiting, guys. Because there's no, like, I don't want to trade inside the box here. It's not worth it to me. It's only a 10 pip zone, and then minus broker spread. Then you really have to know how to trade these. If you're trading, you have to know how to scale out of one candle, and the next candle. If you're scalping like individual candlesticks. I'm looking for the quality pips. I'm looking for the bigger plays here. Yeah, guys, I apologize. I will get to US 30, but we could be getting a move right now on gold. But I will get to the US 30 chart. Sometimes London session is like this, okay? So like last night, it was moving beautiful. We were getting 30 pips, 50 pips on each pair. Today, gold is just consolidating. As soon as we started the call over here, we started at 10 after 3, right over here. It just came into this little accumulation distribution zone and just sitting here and trading sideways. But now we're starting to go in an ascending trend line, and all we got to do is just break up here with some volume, and we're not getting it yet. So guys, 161 viewers. Thank you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you can help me out, if you can hit the like button, okay, if you guys are getting good value out of this channel, please, every time you come here, for myself and for Dave, if you guys can just help hit the like. What it does is it helps with the YouTube algorithm, but it also gets us trending. So if there's other traders like yourselves that are looking for free education, free free live trading, trade ideas and things like that, then maybe they can get in on the channel too. So kind of pay it forward. We help you guys if you can help us, and hopefully we can get some new traders in here to learn how to trade price action. And you guys can be part of this and help us grow the YouTube channel. I think we're almost at 3,500 subscribers, so which is amazing, guys. We've been streaming for I think less than 2 months now, so 3,500 subs is awesome, guys. Okay guys, this is patience at its finest. Patience at its finest. Yeah, this is an example, Enzo, of a bearish flag. We have the rally coming down, there's the bearish, and then we get into a flag. But bearish flags are traditionally known to continue to go bearish. It's called a continuation pattern, but they can also reverse on us, okay? That's why you got to follow the technicals. Just because it is a bearish flag doesn't always mean that it's going to continue going into a bearish direction. It has a higher probability that it will, but that's not always the case. And this is showing us that it could break and go bullish up here, okay? Jory Hoxton, thank you. Best life scalping on gold, thank you. That means a lot, you know, for real. It means a lot. There's a lot of amazing streamers that do trading, and I have a lot of respect for all of them. It's not easy to go live and trade in front of the world, and take live trades as well while you're doing this. So it means a lot to us, so thank you for that. Guys, let me know, is the music bothering you guys? I can turn it down. Just let me know in the chat, guys. Is it bothering you? For real. I can turn it down if you guys can't hear me. It's more important that you guys can hear me. I don't care about the music. Just let me know. Yeah, I'll get to the daily time frame in 1 minute. Is it bothering you guys, the music? Okay, because sometimes it goes loud, and then sometimes it turns down. But just guys, make sure you can hear me. Okay, so look here, guys, pay attention, guys. Okay, so we have our first volume break. This is our retest candle. Okay, let's see if it will come down, test this area, and we could possibly bounce right here. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, because this was the first candle that closed with the volume above 1864. See here we have a doji candle. See how it's coming down? Okay, let's see, is it going to retest this area, or we're going to find some buying support and it's going to continue to rotate back up? And what we need is to break the high of these wicks, okay? Right up there. We got to break above 1801.81. Ooh, look at that, okay? See that big bearish? We're not taking a buy yet, okay? That's why I told you, hold on, wait, okay? Wait. See how it opened up, came, and went down, flashed, okay? But we are picking up liquidity down here, okay? So it came down here. Look at the wick now. Now we're turning into a pin bar candle, okay? So just let's watch this candle form, okay? Now it's turning. Now we could rotate right back up. If we get this volume, it could turn into a bullish hammer, and we could go up here, guys, okay? So get ready. Still some indecision. Okay. Oh, whoa, shit! Look at that breakout, guys. Guys, that was a quick flash breakout. Flash breakout. Guys, this is big. Okay, so it's coming up to here. If it breaks here, guys, it's coming up to over here. It's gonna come up to this area. Okay, I'm looking at 1803. 1803. Did you guys see how fast that happened? Guys, that flashed so quick, okay? Yeah, guys, if you want to get into a buy, guys, it's up to you, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you about buys or sells, but I can give you guys like trade ideas here. But that came down, it picked up liquidity, and did you see when we broke the high of these wicks, how it just flashed right up there? Okay, that happened so fast, okay? But what I'm looking for is momentum to come up to here, 1803. And then possibly if we can get back up to this daily resistance up to here. We need some nice push on this RSI, okay? And what will be really nice in the next 2 minutes when this candle closes, if we can close above this red line with the volume, okay? This was previous support and resistance area. I want to close above that area, right up here, above those wicks, 1802.50. Ellie, do I always wait for the second breakout candle to close before buying? I always wait for volume to get above my key area, and then I always look at my second for retest, but it might take 2 or 3 candles to retest before we take an entry. That one happened very quick. You guys saw it came down, it picked up liquidity, then it turned into a bullish pin bar, and as soon as we broke here, it just flashed right up, okay? It happened very fast. Okay, so now we have to identify what happened up here. So it came up here and it got rejected. This was a previous resistance area, and now it's getting rejected. The volume is coming down as a spin top candle. Okay, there's indecision with 1 minute left on the candle. So what we need is volume to close again above this area. We can't have it come now down, okay? If that's the case, then what this is telling me is that there's a ton of selling pressure up here, and this created a lower high from over here and here, and maybe there's a lot of supply up here, and selling pressure are going to push this down, and maybe gold is going to go bearish tonight if they can't hold this area, okay? But this could give us another opportunity to look for another buy coming up, okay? So we just got to follow this volume. How is it going to close? Wow, dude, that happened so fast. Wow, look at it now. It's turning bearish, guys. Okay, this is gonna flip. Holy shit. Okay, when gold is trading erratic like this, I might just take a look at another pair. Okay, when gold is this erratic. That was a huge fake out. Okay, that was a huge fake out. What they did was they brought it up, trapped a lot of buyers, and then they're sending it down. Okay, and then it could again come down and test this area for a sell. Okay, so guys, this is, you know what this is called? What I call this? I call this a fuck you candle. Okay, that's what that is. They brought it up and rejected it heavy and pushed it down, and we could start to go bearish. They came up, they possibly hit a lot of pending orders up there, and they're pushing it down. Okay, that's what I call, guys, fuck you candle. Okay, excuse me for my French, but that's what that is. It could be. Okay, yeah, we all hate those FU candles, but there's nothing that we can do. That happened, that triggered so fast that it went up and then boom, they just hammered it down. Okay, So that's why, guys, like patience, 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 okay? And sometimes these candles happen, okay? Sometimes these candles, they do happen, and they trap us, you know? There's nothing that we can do. But if you have a proper stop loss to avoid potential disaster on your account where you're not over leveraging, then you don't need to worry about those. But learn from these. Learn from what these candles are, okay? For real. Yeah, Abdulaziz, I know, bro. You were telling me about it. So yeah, everybody is had an FU candle. Okay, I've had them. You guys have had them. But what it is, guys, is learn what these candles are. Learn what just happened there. So what they did was they faked out the market that it was gonna gold was gonna go bullish coming up to here, and possibly they had a lot of retail buying momentum, a lot of buyers in there. They hit all those pending orders, and then they just drop it, flash drop, because they want to take it bearish. They probably want to push it down. Now they got the liquidity to break it, possibly enough momentum now to break it bearish coming down here, guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, so guys, we got less than 2 minutes. Let's watch to see if we can get that volume to close again below this area. Okay. James, okay, so I saved you some money there. Good, good, guys. Just hopefully you guys, I can teach you guys some patience, some discipline, guys. We don't have to jump in on every single candle we see, okay? Now you see, maybe now they got the liquidity that they needed to really push gold down. Here we go, okay? So this is the area that we need to break. Remember last time I identified this area, 1800.25? There. Now next area it could drop is right down here. Right here, 1799.86, okay? There we go. Okay, you see how they're pushing the market down? They grabbed all that liquidity from that top FU candle, okay? And then now they're rotating the market down. Okay, so it's coming down. Next one could be coming down to here, 1799.35, okay? But what we need is, we need the volume to close below this area, okay? We need volume to close below this area right here. Yeah, Jory, good that you didn't get trapped there, guys. But let's we got 10 seconds left on this candle. Okay, so it's closing very nice and bearish. We got lots of volume. We're also below this key area right here. So if we can close, we could get a next candle, could be green, come right back up. But then what we need is some selling pressure to push down. There it is. There's that green candle. Now we have a rejection right there. Okay, it's right below that red line. This used to be support, so now it should act as resistance, and we should get some pressure coming down. Okay, this candle, green candle, could come all the way back up, back to this daily zone, this yellow line, and what we need is we need some selling pressure to come, momentum right off of this big red candle. So we need to start to exhaust these buyers and push this candle down. This is the retest candle, guys. This is the retest. Okay, so it's coming right back up to our daily zone, right up here, 1800.56. We need to see a rejection right here. Okay, so you see the rejection? Okay, so it got rejected right at that yellow line, right at that daily resistance now. So all we need is now RSI to just start to come down. We need the momentum to move down. This is a pullback candle. This green candle is a pullback candle, but we need the selling pressure to hold below the daily zone and push this down. Yeah, the spike could have been because the markets are opening up. Yeah, the volatility is coming, guys. But that's not just the case. Okay, it's not just because there was volatility. That was like that was a move, that market makers move. Wow! Now look at the bullish engulfing candle. Holy guys, gold is nuts right now. Okay, gold has no idea where it wants to go right now. This is crazy. See, sometimes when gold trades like this, it's very, very difficult to scalp this stuff. But this is good, guys. This is a good lesson for you guys, okay? So you're seeing this live price action, okay? It's breaking these key areas, but then next candle is a very bullish engulfing candle. Then it comes up and it gets heavy rejection and coming down. This is some crazy, crazy volatility, guys. Yeah, guys, if you're trading, you got to cut losses small, especially with this type of crazy, crazy volatility. Maybe we chose the wrong pair to trade tonight, guys. Maybe we should have gone to US 30 right off the hop. Nobody said scalping is easy, guys. Nobody said that. But it does require patience. Okay, guys, I turned the music off. I wanna focus on this, guys. Is US 30 going crazy too, guys? I haven't looked at the chart yet for US 30, but how is it reacting? Double fake out on US 30? Abdulaziz, can you watch US 30 for me, bro? And then I'll chart it in just a moment. I just want to stick with this gold. Thanks, bro. Yeah, Connor, and gold is it's been pretty crazy today. So, guys, if you see gold is trading like this, then don't trade it. Look for a different pair, guys. Back off of it, okay? Follow what the price action is doing. If it's doing some crazy, crazy, shitty moves, then don't be trading it, okay? Go to a different pair. But I want to stay on this pair for you guys. But look at this now, okay? This is going into a possible buy again. We have a bullish engulfing candle closing with the volume up here. It's continuing. All it has to do is break this wick, and gold is going to start to go up here. But again, it's so erratic that we could get a red candle start to come right back down. That's what I mean. It's so crazy right now. Euro USD. Let's see, Euro USD. Look at the move, Euro USD move. Wow, probably GBP USD as well. Look at this, guys. Okay, we should have been on these pairs tonight, guys. But what we can do is we could catch a reversal. Wow, like these moves, fuck, guys. We traded the worst pair tonight. Gold was the shittiest pair. Yeah, I believe you, Christian. That's a nice pair. You should have given us the heads up to look at Euro USD and GBP USD. Man, see, it's coming down. It's testing for support now. Oh, okay. So this large bullish engulfing candle came up, closed. It came down, just tested for support right at my area, 1801.66. It's turning into a hammer candle. It just has to get above this wick, this area, and gold could continue to go up to 1803. Okay. Christian, 25 pips in an hour. Congratulations, bro. That's awesome. Yeah, if you guys have a runner on GU and EU, it's good. And the US dollar is falling, guys. Look at the US dollar. It's falling, okay? So the DXY, the US dollar is falling. That's why you guys are having a really nice run on GBP USD, Euro USD, and GBP JPY is also moving, okay? USD CAD is dropping. There it is. That's all because of the US dollar. Guys, next London session, you know what we should do? We should just do currency pairs, okay? How about we do that? Next London session we do, we're gonna do GBP USD, we'll do Euro USD, and we'll do GBP JPY, and we'll do USD CAD. Okay, and we'll see if the US dollar is making some moves. I think we got trapped with gold today on this call, but a lot of consolidation. Like we wasted 1 hour in this bullshit range right here. Okay, guys, so the next London session, I promise you guys, we're gonna do all those currency pairs, okay? And we'll stay, like, because gold, we just wasted all this time. This was, fuck. I'm pretty pissed off, because we started the call right here at 310. Oh my god, we could have caught this huge move right here. This would have been, we would have caught this breakout right here. 100%. 100%, we would have caught this. Let's see that move. Yeah, we could have. Yeah, easy 20 pips, guys. Easy 20 pips. Okay, but what we could do is we could catch a quick reversal if that RSI breaks. Okay, so watch, guys, for 138.80 break. Okay, we'll keep an eye on this. gold is horrible right now. It wants to test this area again. Holy fuck. No momentum on this thing. Reggie, I use the 5 minute time frame. 5 minutes. I scalp on 5 minutes. Guys, 200 viewers. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Guys, I apologize for gold. It was just, it's real choppy. It's really shitty. We chose the worst pair to trade during this session. Normally gold moves nice, but today was just too much erratic. We should have known with this FU candle what type of moves it would have been. Um, Timing, bro, can you use the fib on GBPUSD for sells and show us, please? Um, yeah, I can real quick. I'm watching right here, okay? Because look, we're getting now a double support down here, okay? So we're getting right here this 1801.66, 1801.66. Price came down, it held. Price came down, it held. We got this spin top candle. I just want to watch this volume, okay? Because gold could be doing something where it wants to start to move up, okay? I'm also keeping an eye on this US dollar, okay? So US dollar looks like it could be rotating up a little bit. Um, that's why watch guys for that GBP break right here, GBP USD 138.80 right here. There we go. Come on, give me that push on gold. Let's go. Abdulaziz, thank you, bro, for joining us. We'll see you. If you can, join Dave 8 a.m. Eastern. Get some rest and come back if you can. If not, take it easy, bro. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you Sunday night because I won't be trading Friday nights. But take it easy, Habibi. Take it easy, bro. Okay, so if gold can break up here, okay, this was previous resistance. Look, we got rejected one, two, three times there. If we can break above there, gold is going to come up to here, 1803. 1803, guys. Why so many support and resistance lines? Because this is 5 minutes here. Do you see this? This is a resistance line. This here was a previous support line. This is my next take profit. That's why my profit target is 1802.50 and then 5 pips is 1803 and then my next area is up here. Um, why so many lines? Everybody asks that. Why so many lines? Because we're trading price action, guys. I want to know my most recent price action on the 5 minutes. I want to know where my support and resistance is. A lot of guys ask that question. Oh man, thank you, bro. Tom, thank you, bro. Don't apologize. A session learned a lot about a better entry and not being tempted by the FU candle. I've struggled with getting the perfect entry using the volume and wicks. You've helped me. Okay, no worries, guys. So that's what I said. It's good education, guys. Okay, so it doesn't always have to be about always just making pips, pips, pips. It's good education. Understand what this candle represented, because I guarantee you this candle sucked in a lot of buyers, and then it went right down and triggered their stop loss, and it could have been a disaster. And then what they did was they brought the market right back up. Now it held right here two times. Okay, I'm watching this support level. Now it's coming down. See how we're getting held at this previous resistance, 1802.50. This area right here, they're holding gold down. So we need to get this momentum, this RSI. We need to rotate it back up to get that break right there. We need to break this. There we go. Come on, break, and we can come up to 1803. There we go. Okay, we break, we're coming up to 1803, guys, right up here where my cursor is. What's my spread on gold? I'm about half a pip, half a pip. Yes, I'm in the trade, guys. I'm in the trade. I trade, guys, live with you guys. I'll post it in the free Telegram group, guys. If you're not in it, if you're new here, it's pinned at the top of the chat, guys. Get in there. It's the free Telegram group. Dave and I share a lot of information in there, a lot of good free content in there. Okay, so we are making it. We're trying to get up there. 1802.73. We gotta push up here. I want to push up here. Okay, it's moving, guys. Okay, now you see the momentum. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, we're tapping that area up there. Let's see if it can break, if it can continue pushing up there. There we go. Okay, tapped it. Okay, next area, guys, if we can break, it's going to come up to this daily resistance up here, 1803.70. 1803.70. Beautiful move, guys, okay? Do you guys see that move, how that happened? Okay. Yeah, we got a lot of educational Forex videos, guys. I'll show you our website. We have tons of tutorials. We have tons of webinars that we do daily, guys. We're all about education, guys. We're all about education. Guys, sorry, I'm just in this trade right now. I'm just monitoring my trade. Okay, let me know, guys. Are you guys in the buy on this gold? I told you guys there was two double touches down here. Okay, we got some double confirmed support at that level. Wow, very nice move, guys. Okay, it's gonna come up to that next daily resistance. Okay, and if we break above there, oh my goodness. Okay, there's our trend line up there. If I look left, guys, above there, we could. Oh my God, look at this. We have just this candle. Look at this. Holy, half of this candle, guys, right there. Oh my goodness, this could be a clean break, guys, if we get this. $215 viewers. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, I scaled out. I'll show you guys the trade I took. Okay, so I just show you guys that I'm trading with you guys. Okay, guys, please join the free Telegram group that I have pinned at the top, so you guys can see this. Just so you guys know. Okay, I'll post it in one moment. Okay, guys, if you want to check out, I just posted in the Telegram group, guys, right here. It's pinned at the top. This was the trade that I just took right here. Okay, so I bought gold with the spread where it got me in 1802.15. I scaled out right here at 1803. That was I was targeting. Went up to 40. I did a 5 lot, 5.0. Okay, I did a 5 lot, and I just scaled out 620 US dollars, and there's my commission. For a 5 lot. Fusion Markets charges me $4.50 per standard lot, multiplied by 5. It's $22.50 for my fee. So, guys, I waited patiently for that. It was just over a little bit over 10, 11 pips, but $620, okay? And there it is. So, like it was for me, it was worth waiting for that. You know what I mean? The way how this FU candle told me it came down, then this big bullish engulfing candle closed. We had a support right there, support 2, and then I started to buy on this bullish candle at 1802.15 right there. So I bought in on there, and then I scaled out at the top of the wick because I know it's a daily resistance up there. I'm not going to get greedy, okay? We're not going to break up there. I could see when the wick was coming up, and then that's where I got out. As it was coming down, I took out all of my profits right there, guys. And now we have this bearish engulfing candle coming down. So, guys, I do trade live with you guys. That's a real trade, and the commissions there show it. And I use Fusion Market Brokers, guys. So, King Laudy, can you relax with the spam? Like, can you buy now? Can you buy now? I can read it once. I don't need to see it 20 times in there. But you want it. The buy is right here, 1801.66. This is how I chart, guys. You never want to buy at the highs. Okay, that's why I scaled out there, and now that's why you're getting a bearish candle coming down. Okay, guys. So that was gold. Okay. Kaizen Guru, what's going on, brother? Hey, Ron, I love your conversational style and live streams. I have a question. Please share your thoughts. How much capital should we work with to target 100 daily? Thanks again. $100 daily, good, Kaizen, good question, bro. If you want to get $100 daily, it's not that difficult, guys. It's not that difficult, okay? Because what you're looking for is 10 to 20 pips to get $100 daily. So if you want to trade with like a half lot or a standard lot, you could easily do $100 a day with that type of size. But what you need to have is you got to have $3,000 to $5,000 in capital to achieve $100 per day. Okay, because if you're using a half lot, a standard lot, you want to have the proper risk management. And guys, if you do the math, 100 US dollars per day multiplied, let's say Monday to Friday. You can also trade on a Sunday, but 5 days, that's 500 a week. So that's going to be $2,000 per month. So it's $100 a day is a great way to start. If when you start to learn how to scalp the markets and you learn your proper risk and lot sizes, you can make $2,000 a month. And then when you start to double it, you go to 2,000 to 4,000 to 6,000. What you could do is you could start to increase your lot size, and then you can start to make $200 per day and go like that. So that's how I started. I started with trying to make $100 per day. I did that consistently for like over a month, a couple months, a period of time. Then I said, okay, what I'm gonna do is the same strategy, same scalping technique. I'm gonna look for the same amount of pips, but I'm gonna just tweak my lot size and just go up a little bit. And then I started to make $200 per day. Then I went to 300, and then you get to your account size where you feel comfortable taking larger lot sizes. Like on this trade that I just took, I took a 5 lot, okay, and I was looking for, like, I look for quality pips. There it is, 10. It's 10, 11 pips, okay, and with a 5 lot, I got $620 minus my $22.50 commission fee. But if I look for a couple of those trades a day, you can easily make $1,000 to $2,000 a day. Sometimes I trade with 1 and 2 lots, depending if I want to hold it longer. But I see the way how gold was trading, okay? So it wasn't giving us too much pips. It's in a range right now. So if I could grab 5-10 pips on this play, I'm happy with that. And do you see how I scaled out? Look at where I scaled out, guys, okay? Because I trade price action 1803.4039. Look at where it went. When I started to see it come up to my daily resistance and get rejected right there, see how it's coming down? I took my full profits at the top of that wick, right up there, before it came down. Because if I didn't scale out or get out of there, full position or partial, this bearish engulfing candle is coming right back down to where I bought in, and I would have pissed away $600. Okay, so guys, that's just learning price action, learning not to be greedy in these markets. Okay, number one is don't be greedy, guys. Be humble and get your money. If you get your $100, secure it. Maybe what I could have done with this trade. Normally, what I do is I could have taken out 80% of my trade. Maybe I could have taken out a 4 lot, and I could have left 1 lot as a runner with like possibly a break-even stop loss. But gold was just too erratic this session in London that I just wanted to get in and out and make some money for this session and get out. But Kaizen, good question, bro. And then if you're looking for bigger pips, if you're looking for like 30 pips, 50 pips, and you have a smaller account, again, then just do maybe a point $2 a pip, $3 a pip, and you can still achieve that $100 a day. You don't have to over leverage. I'm only saying if you have the account size. But guys, there's also, if you don't have the capital to start off yourselves, look at FTMO, look at the funding talent challenges, look at those things, okay? Because they're not that difficult to do, and then you can trade with $25,000, $50,000, $100,000 worth of equity, and you can keep 70 to 80% of those profits. And then what you can do with those profits is you can move them into your real trading account and trade with that as well. So there's a lot of things you can do, guys. But just practice. I preach, guys. Practice proper risk and account management. Don't over leverage with high lot sizes if you're not used to trading with those lot sizes. And guys, always use a proper stop loss. Okay, we're not bigger than the markets. And you see during New York session, you see the crazy volatility. If you don't use a stop loss, your account can be wiped out real quick. Yeah, thanks, Tom. I'm happy with that. 620 for this period. I'm good. I have my daily goals and things like that, and when I achieve them, I don't need to overtrade or anything like that. But yeah, just hit your daily goals, whether it's pips. I don't like to do like dollar amounts because I like to do pips or percentage. And once you hit it, guys, then just be done. Don't overtrade, and compound that daily. And if you do have a loss, we all take losses, but reduce your losses. Keep them tight. You know what I mean? And so it doesn't take away from all of your daily gains that you've been accumulating for the entire week. Ah, Xenon, yeah, the jersey at the back, that's my man, that's MJ right there. That's a signed jersey, by the way, guys. That's the GOAT right there. And I'll have a debate with you guys with LeBron, but Michael Jordan, he is the GOAT, guys. He is for real. Um, Cameron, I don't use funding talent. I don't use funding talent. I use my own capital, but a lot of our members are with funding talent and FTMO. So they're giving me the information, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. But I use my own account. I'm not with any of the prop brokers. How much percent should be your stop loss? Well, number one, you're looking for a good ratio. So you're number one, you have to be getting a 1-to-1 on your money. Okay. So if you're willing to risk 10 pips, you need to be looking for your TP1 should be minimum 10 pips. a one-to-one. If you're not getting a one-to-one on your money, don't even take the trade. But we look for quality pips. We look for like the nice breakouts. When we're trading, we look for more 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5 on your money, and that's what we're looking for. When you're scalping, you're looking to risk maybe 10 pips to possibly make 20, 30 pips. But you got to see what the session you're trading. Right now, the Tokyo session on gold, it's not giving us that crazy volatility where we're getting big pips. It's consolidating in this range with this entire call, and it finally just broke out there for about 10 pips, and I grabbed those 10 pips and I got out. But yeah, you want to have a good ratio. If you're trading a higher time frame, if you're trading 4 hour or daily candles, then you have to open up your stop loss, because now you're looking for possibly 80, 100, 150 pip moves. So you need to be risking maybe 30, 40 pips to make 120, so you're still getting that good R&R. Okay, but as you're scalping, you can put your stop loss a little tighter. Pips are percentage in price. This is like price action. So if gold moves from 1802 to 1803, that's a dollar move on gold. That's a 10 pip move. If it moves from 1802.50 cents right here and it goes to 60 cents, that's a 1 pip move. And then once they move in 10 pip from 1802 to 1803, that's a 10 pip move. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you want to, Sadiq, so if you want to contact us, guys, I'll show you guys right now. So number one, guys, if you want to join the free Telegram group, it's linked in, it's pinned at the top of the chat. This is our free Telegram group. Guys, there's a lot of scammers out there saying that they are us. So let me just show you this. This is not us, guys. Don't fall for these scams. They're saying that they're Stock Sniper Trading. They have 5,000 subscribers, and they're saying that they'll help invest your money, and they accept Bitcoin and stuff like that. This is not us, guys. We don't accept Bitcoin, and we don't invest your money. Okay, we're a free education platform here. Don't fall. Here's another one, Stock Sniper Trading FX, with like 4,000, 5,000 subscribers. So that's not us, guys. This is our channel right here. We have 900 subscribers right now, and it's linked in the chat. That's us. This is us. You can trust us here. But all those other ones, they're not us. Okay, so careful. And we would never accept Bitcoin or invest your money. So anything, guys. If you find any of those Telegram groups, if people are telling you they're going to invest your money, that should send red flags, guys. That's a scam. Okay, nobody's going to invest money for you if you give them money. They're going to scam you. They're going to take your money and they're gone, especially when you're paying in crypto. How are you going to track them down? If you're dumb enough to give them your money like that, then you deserve to be scammed, guys. You gotta be smarter than that. Don't get hustled by by scam artists. Okay. Okay, guys. So, but if you do want to join our trading academy, okay, Dave and we've created the Stock Sniper Trading Academy, and this is our website, guys. You can visit stocksnipertrading.com, okay, and if you join the team, guys, it's $1 a day. It's $29.99 a month, and these prices are not going to stay that low. We're going to cap it very soon, and prices will be going up. But if you get in now, you'll be grandfathered in at $29.99 as long as you want. It goes month over month. You're welcome to cancel at any time. There's no obligations. But what you guys get in this mentorship program with us is you get mentorship with Dave and I. We really mentor you. We help you learn how to trade. We offer we're going to do 3 weekly webinars where we go over everything, guys. So you guys are asking me about impulse candles. We just had a webinar the other day on impulse candles, and it's very informative. You can interact with us. It's in a Zoom meeting, and we also have a ton of tutorials. We have a 52-week course of tutorials. You get to be part of the sniper chat room, and guys, we have a ton of members in FTMO and the funding talent, and there's a good crew in there. Guys are helping each other out. And we also give some trade ideas throughout the day depending on market conditions. We give follow-up charts on our from our live trading. So this was Dave today. He gave a follow-up chart, and this was gold, the W bottom, and the breakout that ran for 35 pips right here. And this was during the Zoom call that Dave did. Our member made $480 on tonight's session, and shows it right there. So this was in our private Zoom call. So guys are just, he paid for over a year's membership right there, just on that call right there. So, and now he's got mentorship for a long time with us. And we'd love to have you on the team, guys. But if you want to join our free blog, okay, this is our blog. So we just did one now on explaining what exponential moving averages are and SMAs. This was a webinar example, guys. So we uploaded one of our webinars that I just did the other day. This was a trade idea for 50 pips. So these are the webinars or the blogs that we give out for free. It's free education, guys. All we need is your email address. So you come to the bottom of our website, stocksnipertrading.com, and right here you can join the newsletter. That's our blog. You're welcome to put your email in here, and we'll send you out a blog. It's very informative, guys. A lot of good content. It shows daily trades that we just took, and you probably were trading with us, and you can see our psychology of why we took that trade, and we break it down very easy to follow, ABCD. Guys, if you want to follow us on Instagram, we're Stock Sniper Trading on Instagram. We've got Facebook and the Telegram group I just showed you guys. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Don't fall for those scam groups. And guys, when you become a member, if you want to join with us for $1 a day, this is our tutorials. So for the questions, for the guys asking what are pips, lots, leverage, spreads, slippage, we explain all that. What are the different type of order types, buy limits, sell limits, all of that. How to properly place stop losses on different time frames. We don't just trade, we scalp live, but I also trade, we teach how to trade with 4-hour candles, daily candles. If you want to be a swing position trader, absolutely, we teach that as well. Introduction to candlesticks, learning about an open, high, low, close, what the volume represents. These are all in here. Then we have a course load of all of our individual candlesticks. I believe there's 23 candlestick videos in there explaining what a hammer is, shooting star, spinning top, bullish pin bars, inverted hammer, hanging man, all of those things. We explain them with detailed charts, and their video format, 10 to 12 minute videos explaining it all. We go over support and resistance, uptrends, downtrends, supply and demand zones, accumulation, distribution, a lot of impulse candles, retest candles, downtrends, uptrends. We explain triangle patterns, descending, ascending, symmetrical triangles, reversal patterns, the M pattern that we were just looking at on gold, the W patterns, the double bottom, double tops, wedges, head and shoulders, inverse. We go over technical indicators, so we go over the moving averages, we go over VWAP, we go over Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracements, RSI, how to properly use RSI with bullish and bearish divergence, MACD. We just had today's webinar on MACD, and I went over MACD and bullish and bearish divergence with that. Stochastics, we have strategies, guys, and we have the 2 to 3 weekly webinars that go for like approximately 90 minutes, 2 hours, and if you miss them, they're uploaded and they're recorded and uploaded to the website, so you can always, there's tons of content, guys, tons of daily content. We really want to teach you guys how to trade. You can learn how to trade with us live. You can follow the tutorials. You really get some good mentorship, guys, for $1 a day. You can't even buy a coffee for $1 a day, guys. So we really want to teach you guys how to trade, and hopefully you guys do learn, and you guys can be consistent, profitable traders. We can help you with your challenges if you need help with that. We help our members with that. I'd love to have you guys part of the team, guys. If you want to get to know Dave and I, we'd really love to have you on the team. Just visit the website and sign up, guys, because we will be changing the prices very soon as the team is growing. What's the minimum deposit on fusion markets? I don't know the minimum. I want to say maybe $50, maybe $100 is possibly the minimum. I don't know exactly what the minimum is. Just visit their website and find out there. It's fusion markets based out of Australia. South Africa in the house. We have a big South African team, so respect to South Africa. Yeah, Xenon Paradox. Thank you, bro. We appreciate you, man. Thanks, bro. Guys, I'm gonna wrap it up now because I gotta go back to sleep. I've only slept for like 2 hours. But normally, Petria, Claudio, we stream for 2 hours, 2 hours plus. But Dave is going to be streaming New York starting at, I believe, 8 a.m. Eastern time. So if you guys want to join Dave in a little bit, in about 3 hours, he's going to be doing New York, and he'll be trading live with you guys these USD red folders, orange folders. There's going to be some good volatility Friday morning. Let's wrap up the week with some nice pips, guys. We had a really, really good week, guys. We also do Sunday night forecasts. I'll be back on YouTube for Sunday night weekly forecast. We'll be looking at a lot of pairs. We'll be overlooking them on the daily candles. And guys, I really appreciate this call, guys. Thank you. It's awesome. London session is growing. Now we're getting over 200 viewers. When I started London, it was like 30 viewers, 50. So now if we're getting over 200, 250, 300, I will do these London sessions all the time, guys. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all the likes. Like honestly, you guys are part. You guys are the reason why the channel is growing. And I owe it all to you guys. Next London session, guys, I promise you, we're gonna do all currency pairs. Okay, so we'll do. I'll show you guys how to scalp GBPUSD, EURUSD. We'll look at GBP We'll do USD CAD, and we'll do one other pair that you guys like. Like if you guys like an AUD pair or whatever you want, we'll do 5 currency pairs on our next London session. I really like the way how the pound and the euro moves during the London session. So hopefully we'll chart those and we'll get a lot of pips with those. Gold today, it was tough. It consolidated when we started the call. They had the big FU candle that did the dip. But guys, take from this right now. Let me just wrap up the call like this. So if you guys are going to continue to trade and you guys are going to be trading gold, it came down, okay, but it was a big bullish engulfing candle. This candle at 10 after 4 completely engulfed everything in this consolidation zone, and it came up, and this was, remember I told you guys, watch the volume close above. Volume closed above. This was a retest candle. See how it came down, retested? Second candle retested. That's why I took the buy entry. Okay, so if you see, where did I take that buy again? It was at 1802.15. So that's where I took the buy entry on that candle, 1802.15. When it started going right up here, engulfing right here, I got in the buy and I held up there, okay, because it reached right up there. I could have scaled out a little bit of profit, but I was watching here. I held during that pullback, and it gave me a higher low right there at 1802.23. I still held. It went bullish. We broke this area, that previous resistance, and this was my next area that I targeted. We went right through that. But so that's why I was eyeballing up here, 1803.65. That's my daily resistance, my other daily resistance. It came up there but started getting rejected. So I didn't want to leave $600 on the table, so I scaled out as it came down. I took the full position. Normally I take 80% out and I'll leave a 20% runner, but in this case I just wanted to exit because gold was very, very volatile. And look, if I didn't, it came right back down to basically where I bought in. I would have possibly hit my stop loss, and it came back down, and look at now gold is rotating right back up. So if it breaks here, we could be attempting to get up here, guys. Keep an eye tonight if you guys are trading 1803.66 for a gold breakout. Look it up here. It got rejected there, rejected there. One more time. If we can break a third time, we're going to come up, and this purple line is our trend line from the top. Okay, that's our trend line, and we could possibly move. If it gets rejected up there, guys, then it could possibly form another lower high and gold could drop. But it is pretty bullish right now. Okay, could come up and retest this area. So that's if you guys are going to continue trading gold. But thank you guys. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys for everything. Fred, what benefits do we get when you join the VIP platform? You get a lot of benefits. You get a lot of benefits. You get all of the tutorials. You get all of the live webinars. Now what we're going to be doing is we're introducing another webinar where it's just going to be live trading, where I can trade live with you guys. You guys can unmute your mics. You guys can ask me whatever you want. We had one today where one of our members, he was in a trade in the afternoon. He got into a trade, and he got trapped by an impulse candle, and I broke down exactly live what happened, and where it triggered his stop loss. So I gave him live feedback on his trade, and now he learned from it. So if that's invaluable, guys, during live trading, if you guys are in trades, you guys can tell me what you're trading, and I can go right to it, and I can help you guys in your trades. So, and then if you wanna use an indicator, like if you're using a Bollinger Band and you want me to explain it to you live how to use it, RSI or anything, any questions that you guys have that you want to ask me, I can answer anything for you guys. It's true mentorship, guys, for $1 a day. And not only that is you get the tutorials, you get to be part of the sniper chat room. We have almost 200 members in there that they have so much knowledge in there. When I'm sleeping and Dave is sleeping, these guys are interacting with each other. They're sharing charts, they're learning questions about FTMO, funding talent, my Forex fund. We got new members in the new one, my Forex fund. I'm learning about that one as well. So there's a ton of knowledge in there. One of our members is teaching us about, like, I'm going to get into binary options, scalping binary options as well. But we need to find a broker in Canada, that because binary options are illegal in Canada. So we need to find a broker, because we can start to scalp binary options on 15-second candlesticks. I'm already doing it in a demo account, and it's ridiculous. Like, it's pretty crazy if you see like what we're doing on a demo account. So hopefully we can do that live with you guys and teach you guys all about binary options as well. You miss me beating down the trolls on US. I'll be getting the trolls back on US. It's okay. Um, but guys, thank you guys so much for joining me in this London session. It means a lot to me that you guys are here. Um, and yeah, Jake, we'd love to have you on the team, guys. It's $1 a day. We have a lot of our members coming from signal groups, copy paste groups, and they've lost thousands of dollars. And they come with us, and we're teaching them how to trade. They're making money now. They're learning. They've recouped their losses, and now they know how to trade. It's not a copy paste. We're not. Let me just make it clear to you guys. We're not a copy paste group. We're not a signal group. We want to teach you guys how to trade so that you guys have a financial skill for the rest of your life. You know what I mean? And you get lots of value with us, guys. I'm not here to sell ourselves. If you want to join, you're welcome to join. If not, continue on YouTube. Dave and I will be streaming 1 to 2 streams for you guys. We'll be offering the free education. Just subscribe to the channel, guys, if you guys are new here, and you can help with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are getting good value out of YouTube, that's great. But if you do want to take your trading to the next level, and maybe you want to start to advance your trading, because we're also going to get into scalping 1-minute candles, and we're going to teach how to scalp 1-minute candles as well. So there's a lot of interest in that in our group, in the mentorship group, and I'll be doing that on the private webinars and things like that. So yeah, guys, lots of value, guys. Yeah, and if you do want to sign up, just visit our website right here at stocksnipertrading.com. This is our website, guys, so it's not a scam. This is our website, okay? And also the Telegram group that I showed you, this is us right here. We have 900 subscribers. We don't have 5,000. And also, guys, when you're looking at this, okay, let me just show you real quick so you guys don't get scammed. These guys claim, where are they? Where's that group? They claim that they have 5,200 members, subscribers, but when they make a post, they only get 8 views. Okay, so how does that make sense? If you got 5,300 subscribers and you make a post and only 8 people are looking, to me that's suspect. Just watch what's going on. Okay, so here, like us, we made a post earlier. We got almost 400 views on this, okay, and we have 900, so that's normal. But to have 5,000 subscribers and you make a post and there's only 6 views, that you should see that that's a scam. And guys, one word of advice: do not be sending anyone your money when you don't know who they are. They're claiming to invest your money. They're not even licensed financial advisors. How can someone claim to invest your money? They're gonna rob you guys. So just be careful, guys, out there. There's a ton of scammers these days. Yeah, Titan. Dave streams on this channel. Dave is my we're partners. We're like brothers from different mothers. Dave is my brother. So this is our channel. So Stock Sniper Trading. It's either me or Dave. We do all sessions. We do London, we do Tokyo, and we do New York. Dave will be doing New York in 3 hours. He's going to be coming 8 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to go to sleep right now, and then you guys can trade with Dave in the morning. Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for joining. Everybody have a great morning, evening, night, wherever you are around the world. Stay safe. God bless you guys. And let's change this world one pip per day. Hopefully, you guys can learn and earn, and you guys can really become profitable traders, consistent, and that's what we want. We want to see you guys be very successful. So, thank you so much for joining me, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. And we'll see you guys. I'll be back, guys, Sunday night. We'll do Sunday night forecast for the next week. We'll take a look at the US 30. We'll take a look at NASDAQ, gold, Bitcoin, GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and we'll do our weekly analysis because we're in September, guys. Big volatility. So we'll recap what happened this week and where the market could be moving next week. Okay, so hopefully you guys join me. That'll be Sunday night, guys. So everybody, take it easy and have a good night, and I'll see you guys. Peace out, guys.